Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the English Talk Show. My name is Clara, and I'm here with Mike.
Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I hope you're all doing well.
Today, we're bringing you a short lesson, but it's a very important one.
Yes, today we're going to talk about a common English phrase, tell me about it.
Tell me about it. What does that mean, and when do we actually use it?
Exactly. This is a really useful phrase for casual, everyday conversations.
So, if this phrase is new to you, don't worry, just keep listening.
By the end of this lesson, you'll understand it clearly and know how to use it naturally.
All right, Mike, so let's break this down. What does tell me about it actually mean?
Honestly, when I hear someone says, tell me about it, it sounds like, tell me more, right?
Exactly, that's what it sounds like.
But that's not what it means. It's actually more like a reaction, like, I know, right? Or I feel the same way, or I completely agree with you.
Interesting.
Shall we look at some examples? I think that'll make it much clearer for our listeners.
Example 1.
I've had such a long day. I'm exhausted.
Tell me about it. I didn't even have time for lunch today.
Example 2.
It's been raining all day. The weather is terrible.
Ugh, tell me about it. I got completely soaked this morning.
Example 3.
Work has been so stressful lately.
Tell me about it. I've been dealing with deadlines all week.
So basically, it means I understand, or same here.
Exactly. It shows connection, like you and the other person are in the same situation.
But can we use this for good situations?
Not really. It's mostly used for negative or frustrating situations.
Got it. So it's mainly for complaints or tough situations.
That's right, and it makes your English sound very natural and fluent.
Let's try one together. This traffic is horrible.
Ugh, tell me about it.
Great. Now that you understand the meaning, so that's our today's lesson.
We hope you got the most out of it. It's a simple phrase, but very useful in real life.
Remember, tell me about it is used when you completely agree with someone, especially in frustrating situations.
Try to think of a few examples in your head. This is a great way to practice your English speaking without even realizing it.
The more you practice, the more natural it will feel.
Keep practicing, and we'll see you in another lesson.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.